Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're talking about 3 tips to make your work faster in Adobe Photoshop. The first tip is using the Alt Option key to duplicate layer styles in Adobe Photoshop. So we have text on the canvas and then we would like to add a layer style and then duplicate it on the other 3 text. So let's add the layer style to the first one. Let's add drop shadow. To one of them. Okay, so instead of using the right click and then going to copy layer style, paste layer style, all you just need to do is hold down the Alt Option key and move your mouse to the FX side, and then press and drag the FX to the next layer you want to add it on, and then you can do this for the other layers. Also, and boom, it makes your work faster. Instead of going to right click and go to copy layer style and then you go to paste layer style. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is using the Alt Option key to create clipping masks. Let's say we want to create a shape and then we need a clipping mask of the background layer. Let's unlock. Let's bring the shape up. What you just need to do, instead of going right click and go up to create clipping mask, all you just need to do is come in between the layers and hold the Alt key. The icon is going to change to this, which means you are ready to create clipping mask. All you just need to do is left click on your mouse and boom, the clipping mask is done. That's tip number 2. Tip number 3, changing the color of a background. If you have a background like so and then you just don't want to use the red color, you want to change it to blue, orange or so, all you just need to do is click on the layer and on your keyboard you press Ctrl U and it brings out the hue and saturation, and then you just drag the slider to the left or right to change the color, and then you just stop. If you, let's say you want to use we need a blue background, so we have our blue background. If you want to change it to, let's say, orange like so, or yellow, so basically you can just use this to change the color of such backgrounds. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.